In this equation, we have to prove that u into v dx that is equal to u into integration of v dx, and you are getting this value. Now, what we will do, you will write the concept of u into w, which is u is also a variable of x and w is also a variable of x. Now, if I want to do the differentiation of this value, you will write the value as u into dw by dx plus, you will write w outside and then you will do the differentiation of u. Now, if I will do the integration on both sides, you will get the value as u into w, that is equal to integration of u into dw by dx, and then you will different, like you will have the variable that is dx, and here you will write w into du by dx, and then you are having the whole integration that is dx. Now you will take an assumption here, that is, if I will write dw by dx as equal to v. So if I will do the integration on both sides, you will write w is equal to integration of v into dx. So instead of w, you will write it as v into dx. So you will write u into integration of v dx, that is equal to integration of u into dw by dx, that is equal to v dx plus integration of w into du by dx. Du by dx, instead of w, you will write the value as integration of v dx. So here you will write du by dx plus into integration of v dx, and then you will do the integration of whole. So we want to find this value. So you will take this one on one side, you will write the value as u into v dx, that is equal to u integration of v dx minus of integration, here you will write du by dx integration of v dx, and then you will do the use the concept of dx. So this is the integration that you will find. Hope you have understood this one, and this one will help you to understand the concept of integration by parts. So this is the question that is related to integration by parts.